Yo. Alright, I already know that I said I wasn't gonna mod the car until next year, but I lied. I ended up getting a little mod just for the front of the Mustang. I ended up going for a front splitter. I know it already comes with one, but it kind of gives it an extension, like a more aggressive look, so I thought, hey, might as well get it. It was cheap on eBay. Yeah, I know it's an eBay part, but we'll see how it works. If not, I'll go ahead and change it in the future. So we're gonna start unpacking. So it looks like it comes in 3 pieces. Comes with the screws. Screws, 1, 2, 3. So the middle part, one side, and then the other side. All right, so since I have a performance package splitter, the splitter that I bought actually doesn't fit on it, but I'm kind of trying to play around it to see if I can get it to look nice to where you really can't tell too much. Because I mean, I really like it, man. This thing actually gives the front of the car a good aggressive look. So we're working on it. All right, so we got the splitter on. I don't know how much you guys can see at nighttime, but you can see it's like an extended splitter on top of the other splitter. But looks pretty sick, man. Aggressive as hell. I know this is kind of a short video, but kind of want to give you guys a little bit of a mod before we start some real stuff next year. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.